Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off your crosshair in Crosshair X. All right. So first up, you have that toggle right here at the very top. Click on it to make it visible. Click on it once more so it's hidden. Also, you'll have the option to add in some keybinds, okay, or quick toggle for easy access. So just go ahead and go to keybinds right here. Global toggle, make sure that this one is turned off. And by default, it is a Shift Alt plus Z. Okay. You can press that keybind Shift Alt plus Z and your cursor will be gone, or crosshair. Okay. Also, we have here the aiming section. Okay. You can go ahead and change this one. When you press right click, let's say hide crosshair on hold or toggle crosshair. Okay. Should be on or off. Let's say toggle. Now I'm going to press right click. It's gone. I'm going to press right click once more. It's gone. You can just change this keybind to whatever you want. Okay. And another option, if you want to turn off your Crosshair X, you can go ahead over to options right here. And by the way, if you don't want it to launch on startup, or if you don't want your crosshair to automatically show up when you start up your computer, well, just turn both of these off. Also, finally, to turn off your Crosshair X, just click on exit right here and you should be good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.